Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab P11 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this Lenovo. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, location of my device is now off, but you can always switch it back on by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and access Location section. Then tap on this switcher next to Use Location to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!